In this video, we'll try to understand how you can come up with the values of standard angles without memorizing. So you don't need to memorize. When you go to exam, just write this table on the right hand side of your paper, so everything will be good. Exactly, you don't need to verify, values will be right. So let's take this triangle ABC. The reason I'm taking this right angle because if there are two values given for certain different questions, if two values of sides are given, the third value you can find out by using Pythagoras theorem. So that's the main thing. And on top of that, what do I get from this triangle? I also get two acute angles. So these are the two acute angles. So as you can see from my table, apart from 90, rest of them are acute angles. I have to consider one of this angle as theta. So just for to write trigonometric ratios, so let's consider angle C as theta. Based on that, we'll try to write the ratios and then come up with the values for those angles. So sine theta. Before that, what we'll do is we'll try to understand if this is theta, opposite to this is my opposite side, and next to that is my adjacent side. This will become my hypotenuse because it's a right angle triangle. If not, in some textbooks or some other terminology, instead of opposite, you will use this as perpendicular, and you will use this as base perpendicular hypotenuse. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use it as opposite and adjacent and hypotenuse. So for sine theta, it is opposite by hypotenuse. For cos theta, it's going to be adjacent by hypotenuse. For tan theta, understand this, because once you write sin theta and cos theta, you don't need to remember any of those. It will be sin theta divided by cos theta, which is this divided by this is actually going to give me opposite by adjacent. And if I write cot theta, which is actually reciprocal of tan theta, which is actually going to be sin theta by cos theta, or otherwise straight away reciprocal of this, which is going to be adjacent by opposite. So then cosecant theta, which is 1 by sin theta, in the sense reciprocal of sin theta, whatever we wrote here, which is going to be hypotenuse divided by opposite. Then secant theta, last one in this, 1 by cos theta, reciprocal of cos theta, which is going to be hypotenuse divided by adjacent. That's all you need to remember to get these values. So let's come back to this table. So just to arrive for the values of these standard angles, mainly for sine, we'll start with numbers. Let's take 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Divide all these numbers by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Here I'm going to get 1. This will stay as is. This will be 1 by 2. This will be 1 by 4, 0 by 4. So until now, I think you got exactly what I did. I took numbers, I divided all of them by 4. Now I'll take square root for the whole number, whatever I got. This is actually 0, so that will be 0. Square root of 1 by 4, square root of 1 by 2, square root of 3 by 4 and square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 3 by 4 is square root of 3 divided by square root of 4. Square root of 3 stays as is. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 2 in the denominator is square root of 2. And square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. And square root of 0 is actually going to be 0. So now whatever values I got here, those are exactly values of my sine. 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. If I reverse this and write it, that will be my cos. 1 will go here, root 3 by 2 will come here, 1 by root 2 and this 1 by 2 comes here, that's 1 by 2, and 0 comes here, that is 0. So tan is ratio of sin theta divided by cos theta, that means 0 divided by 1. So what happens? 0 divided by 1, that is 0, then 1 divided by root 3, that means that divided by that, and then there is 1, then there is root 3. This is not defined because it's divided by 0. For cot, although it is cos theta by sin theta, what I'll do is, because I already know tan, I'll just reverse it. So that will be not defined. That root 3 will come here. That 1 stays as is. 1 by root 3 will come here, and that will be 0. So then for cosecant, which is 1 by sin theta, 1 divided by sin theta, in the sense it's a ratio of reciprocal of sin theta, 1 divided by 0, which is not defined. Then it is 2, then it is root 2, reciprocal of this is 2 by root 3, and this is 1. As usual, for secant, again write it reverse. 1, that 2 by root 3 comes here, root 2 stays there, this 2 goes here, and this will be not defined. So as you know, I took the ratios, I took numbers divided by 4 and then found out square root. The first value was my sine value. From the sine value, I have taken reverse and ratios and reciprocals. That's all I did to get this table done.